Okay, so let's move forward. Now we have calc function. This is my favorite function in this calculator. So when you want to go to again the simple calculation function, so press menu and 1. So now this is the simple calculation function or first menu. The question says the table below gives some values of x and the corresponding values of y, correct to one decimal place where, and this is the given. They are asking the value of p, means you have to find the value of y when x is 6. So manually when you are doing, you need to replace x by 6 and solve this whole equation. So here I will tell you how to solve this. Press the fraction button. Now this is the x and square. Scroll down 8. We are trying to type the same equation on the screen. Plus 18 over x and minus 5. So you need to calculate the value of this. So you will press this calculate button. Calculate at which value of x? X is 6. So I will write 6 equals and then equals. So it's 5 over 2 or 2.5.